Hello students, welcome to online class. Now we are going to start next exercise of chapter number 14, that is exercise 14.2. As we have already discussed in our last exercise that how to factorize a algebraic expression. For example, if we take 7x minus 42. 42, we can write 42 as 7 multiply 6. Then we can easily take 7 as common. Then 7x minus 6. This is the factor form factorization of this algebraic expression. But if we have an expression of this type, ax plus bx minus ay minus by. If we try to take common as a from all of the term, then a is not in the second term, a is not in the fourth term. Similarly, if we try to take y as a common, there is y is not in the first term and in the second term. So we can say that in all of the term there is not a single term which we can take as a common. So this algebraic expression can't change in a factor form by using this method. In this condition, we will use a new method. Name of the method is grouping the terms. That means first of all we have to make the group of the terms which are same. First of all we will make the group of these terms. After that we will change this algebraic expression in its factor form. So let's start to make the groups. In these two terms we can take x as a common, and in these two terms y can be take as a common. So this will be our first group and this will be our second group. X in bracket we have a plus b. In the second, negative sign is with both of the terms, so we can take y is minus also as a common, and in bracket we have a plus b. Change the sign in the bracket. If we take negative sign as a common, then we have to change the sign. Now this is our first term and this is our second term. As we can see here that a plus b and a plus b, this is same in both of the term. So we can take this term also as a common. So in bracket we have x minus 1. So this is the factor form of this algebraic expression by using the method grouping the terms. That means first of if in an expression if there is not a single term which we can take as a common, in that condition we have to use the method grouping the data. So first of all make the group, after that take commons. So, now we'll do next question. Statement is a cube x minus x4 plus a square x square minus ax cube. Again here we will use the method grouping the data. Make a group in that such a way such that we can take maximum number of terms as a common. If we try to make these two terms, if we try to make here first group of these two terms, then we observe here we can take only x as a common. But if we make a group of first and third term, then square 2 power of a and 1 power of x. These two terms can be taken as a common. So we will make a group of first and third term. So for that purpose we have to rearrange the terms. So to make a group, if we need to rearrange the terms, then we have to rearrange the terms. This is first, third term. We write here the third term in the second position, and then second term in the third position, and then our fourth term. So this is our first group and this is our second group. Now try to take common. A is in the both of the term, and the smallest power. Smallest power, here we have 3a and here we have 2a. The smallest power of a is 2. Similarly x, here we have 1x and here we have 2x. Smallest power of x is 1. So take smallest power of term as a common. In bracket we have a plus x. Because here a square 2 पावर हमने कॉमन ले ली है, तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जस्ट सिंगल पावर रहती है. सिमिलरली हेयर a स्क्वायर को हमने कॉमन ले लिया है. x स्क्वायर 2 पावर है, 1 पावर को हमने कॉमन लिया है, सो हेयर जस्ट 1 पावर रिमेन. इन सेकेंड ग्रुप नेगेटिव साइन इज विद बोथ ऑफ द टर्म, सो we can take negative sign also as a common. X is with both of the term, but the smallest power. Here we have 4x and here we have 3x. So smallest power is 3. जब हम कॉमन लेते हैं उसके बाद हम इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं कि पावर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. 4 पावर है, दैट मीन्स 4x है, यहाँ पे 3x को कॉमन ले लिया है, तो ब्रैकेट में जस्ट 1 पावर रहती है. नेगेटिव साइन है, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू चेंज द साइन इन द ब्रैकेट. नेगेटिव साइन था, नेगेटिव को कॉमन ले लिया है, दैट्स व्हाई हियर वी हैव पॉजिटिव साइन. देन a x क्यूब को कंप्लीट हमने कॉमन लिया है, दैट्स व्हाई हियर वी हैव नो पावर ऑफ x. Now in bracket, this is our first term and this is our second term. In bracket we have a plus x, x plus a. Order is different, but in the positive sign, with the positive sign, both of the brackets are same. पॉजिटिव का साइन है, 1 plus 3 plus 1 सेम होते हैं. आंसर तो 4 ही आता है. That's why we can say a plus x and x plus a, these are same. So we can take a plus x also as a common. So in bracket, in the first term, we have just a square x. Negative sign x cube. इस complete term को हमने common ले लिया है. So in the second bracket, we have a square x minus x cube. So this is the factor form of this algebraic expression. Next question is x square minus 2y plus 4xy minus x. Factorize, write the factor form of this algebraic expression. First of all, try to make the group of this term. Of these two terms, we have just 2. We can just take 2 as a common. Of these two terms, we can take 2 as well as x. So we can make a group of first and third term, second and fourth term. That's why we have to rearrange the terms. So this is our first group and this is our second group. Now take the common 2. 2 is in first term also as well as in second term. X. Smallest power of x. Here we have 1 power, here we have 2 power. So 1 power is smallest. Y is just in the second term, not in the first term. That's why we can't take y as a common. So in bracket we have x 4. We can write 4 as 2 and 2. 2 को हमने बाहर कॉमन ले लिया. That's why we have just here 2x. y. Negative sign is with both of the term. Here we have not a single term as a common. This is 2y, this is x. That's why we have to write here 1. In outside there we have negative sign. That's why we have to change the sign. Now we can see here again. Order is different but the terms are same with the positive sign. That's why both of the brackets are same. We can take this bracket also as a common. Then in second bracket we have 2x. इसको हमने कॉमन ले लिया है. -1 इसको हमने कॉमन ले लिया. This is the factor form of this expression. Okay.